not eating that. I need to wake up. Ugh. Happy first day of school. I brushed my teeth, washed my face, even did a face wash. Even did a face mask, guys, so that my makeup would go on nice. And I also made myself a cup of tea, and look at this cup. This is my roommate Haley's cup. It's such a vibe. I'm not drinking coffee right now, I'm only drinking tea, but I thought it was suitable for the morning. I'm trying to look really good on the first day of school, and I'm giving myself like 30 minutes to do my makeup, which is a lot for me. I'm also gonna call my friend, my best friend, Chamin. You guys know, if you know. She is studying abroad in Singapore right now, and I haven't talked to her on the phone in a while, so I'm going to call her while I get ready, catch up a little bit, and get that like bright energy for first day of school. Let's call my friend. Hello. I have my vlog camera on the side. I'm using...
What's the makeup look?
I'm gonna go natural. Simple, but done well, you know? So, using a primer. For foundation, I'm gonna mix Kosas Light Medium Neutral. I have another one. Light Medium Neutral Olive. Only doing a little bit. I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna put it on the center of your face. How was your day?
I went to bed at like 4.
4? You took a nap?
No, I didn't take a nap. That's why I fell asleep.
Oh, 4 is like you went to bed at 4 a.m.
Oh.
Oh, because you had to write your essay. I did not get a lot of sleep last night. I don't know why. I wasn't like scared for first day of school. But it was just like the weird feeling that I had to go to school that was keeping me awake. I feel like I got no sleep at all. I did primer, foundation, concealer. I did powder. I did a little bit of bronzer. And now I'm going to cut with like a yellow powder to make myself look smudged here.
근데 여기서 한국까지 가는데 티켓 얼마인지 알아?
얼마야?
$200.
미쳤나봐. 그냥 한국 가.
가고 싶은 거야. 근데 가기에 좀 그런 게 어차피 12월달에 갈 건데
9월에 한국이 얼마나 좋은지 아니?
나 갈까 진짜?
꼭 가, 꼭 가. 엄마한테 말하지 말고 가. What blush should I use? Should I do more pink or like...
What's your outfit?
My outfit, just white t-shirt and jeans. This is like more pink brown. This is just like pink.
Literally.
Pink. This is Rare Beauty Bliss. It's like a milky pink. It's really pretty. I am running out of time, but quick makeup tutorial. This product has been life-changing for like under eye highlight. And then I cannot leave the house without inner corner highlight. So we're gonna do that right here. I'm so hungry. I wanted to put on falsies, but do I have time? Where did it even go? No falsies. I don't have time for that. I'm just gonna do eyeliner. Oh my gosh, I didn't even do my hair, guys. This is so bad. I'm not gonna be able to eat. Backpack, take my laptop, iPad, charger, headphone, book, just in case I need to read, my phone charger, my wallet, and like hand sanitizer. I'm gonna use a heat protectant. This has been really good. It's also really good at detangling your hair. Just spray that. This hairbrush from Conair is also really good. I'm just gonna straighten out my hair because this is a little too floofy. Okay guys, quick OTD. This shirt is from Brandy, just a white long sleeve shirt. Jeans are vintage Hudson jeans, they're like bootcut jeans, low rise. Just wearing this cute little necklace. It's my friend's small business, so I'll link it down below. I think I'm gonna wear my Adidas Sambas for shoes. Can't forget the perfume. I'm trying to get a thumbnail, but my room is so messy. lunch. It's already lunchtime. Not very basic today.
No, it's very cute.
Oh my gosh, I got a tooth gem. I never showed the vlog.
Okay, no worries.
We'll just stay like this for like 5 seconds. Okay.
That's weird.
Did it work? I don't think so. We're doing a first day lunch. We got ramen and rice bowl. Now we're about to go to our class. Third class of the day already. It is 7:20 and I'm finally home. Quick little review for all 5 of my classes. First class was creative writing. I have to take that class to fulfill a art class requirement for my major, and it was really fun. It was only 50 minutes, which is good. He had us write for 5 minutes straight about a dream, like any dream that we wanted to write about, and he had us write with our eyes closed, which was interesting. And I do really like writing. I don't like writing essays and stuff where I have to think about structure and grammar and all that, but I do appreciate creative writing, so I think it'll be fun. Next class, what did I even take? I don't remember. Guys, I don't remember. But I don't think it's that interesting anyway, so I'm just gonna stop there. I'm gonna go make food. It's the first day today, so I didn't really like prepare food to take to school. I'm probably going to start meal prepping. That way I won't have to spend money on food. It smells so yummy. Here's my final product. I'm so hungry. Like honestly not even hungry anymore because I passed the stage. Eating a kiwi as my little dessert. I think I'm going to end today's vlog here. I think the main thing that I really realized today is how much can change in just a year. Last year, I was going into the first day of school like not knowing anyone, feeling very lonely and like scared, but this year I started school with like some of the best people I've met in my life, and now I live with some of the best people I've met. It's so much fun. I feel so like safe in my environment, and I've grown so much as a person too, like walking into class, talking to new people, and it's gotten so much easier for me to make new friends. Also, like who would have thought I would be driving a Tesla to school, like have my own room, like things like that. It's just crazy how much can change in a year, and I don't even know what my first day is going to look like next year, but I just already know it's gonna be so much different and like evolved from this year's first day. So excited for this new upcoming year. I'm just gonna wash up, read this new book that I started, which is really good, and go to bed really early because I'm so tired. But I'm wishing you guys a good school year ahead, and I will see you in my next video.